Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a hair treatment to grow strong and healthy hair using rice and aspirin. Rice helps grow hair long and silky and can promote elasticity, increase volume, tame frizz, and protect hair from damage and cure dandruff. Aspirin has the ability to improve blood circulation around hair follicles, and the increased blood flow can help with androgenetic alopecia and can reduce inflammatory conditions. For this hair treatment, we are going to use 1 small cup of rice, cook and blend, and 3 aspirin, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of mint oil. For best results, use with shower cap for 30 minutes before you shampoo. You can refrigerate for 2 weeks